What I really love about the college is the enthusiasm we've got within our team. This is not just a job for us, we're all keen on the motor vehicle aspects, motorcycles, cars, lorries, the whole thing.
We've got the massive motor vehicle workshop, which is just like a workshop out in the trade.
And the courses are really good and designed so that you go through it in a step-by-step. In the workshop, you get to use your hands-on experience.
I enjoyed the practical aspect, actually being up close and personal with cars and then learning about the theory behind that.
What makes Northbrook Met Engineering different to other colleges is how practical focused our courses are and the facilities that we have. We have large workshops of machinery for the mechanical side of engineering, and in electronics we have a fully equipped electronics lab.
We're different here at this college because of the facilities we have. I think really makes us stand out. We have many aircraft in the hangar and aircraft parts.
The facilities were really good and it's been recommended by quite a lot of other people. When I looked into it, I got really excited because it looks so good.
I love the ability that I can pass on my knowledge of like all my trade experience to my learners.
My teacher is very encouraging. He's been here for a long time, so he's really experienced, and you can tell that by the way he teaches, and he just seems like really happy to teach us as well.
Once you've left and you've done the courses here, it's aimed at people who are going to be apprentices working for the major airlines and then work on the large commercial aircraft.
We try and get as many of our students out to the workplace as possible so they can get the real world experience with my students working in a garage.
I think what sets the Met apart from other colleges is the practical hands-on experience, along with having a good support network around you of lecturers and just good students.